Well, I'm back, and guess what? So are they. Another day, another new Oreo. Well, I have to say though, I understand that these Oreos were out, I'm guessing maybe 8 years ago. It could have even been 9, I'm not sure. And now, by popular demand, they are back again. I've never seen them. They are a limited edition, and what I'm talking about is the Blueberry Pie Oreos. Now, I saw these maybe less than a week ago when I was in Aldi's. But I have been in other food stores and I have not seen them. I have a feeling they came out within the last few days, and I don't know why Aldi's got them first. But anyway, when I was in Aldi's, I saw them, and you know, I love to do these reviews on every time they come out with a new Oreo. It's crazy! And some are better than others. When I bite into some, I'm like, maybe I get that flavor. And then others, I'll taste them and I'll go, yes, I really do taste that. So whenever these new Oreos come out, I just love to do a review on them and see what they taste like. I mean, I always say, so many Oreos and so little time. So why don't we get to it? If you're new here, my name is Dolores, and I am better known as the Baking Diva. I do mostly baking, sweet and savory, and I throw in some special events, holidays, and reviews. In fact, I'm going on vacation very soon to the Jersey Shore, my annual summer trip to Wildwood, New Jersey. So the next video you see, I just may be putting a vacation trip on. So if you haven't already subscribed, smash that subscribe, and I'd love to have you come along on this journey with me. So enough blabbing, let's get into this. So these are Blueberry Pie Oreos. Have you ever had them? It says on the package, back by popular demand, limited edition. Now it says here that they are graham flavored cookies with blueberry flavor cream. Now I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of blueberries. I'll eat them, but I'm not crazy about them. My preference is blackberries and raspberries, and I like strawberries, but blueberries are healthy, they're good for you, but they've never been a favorite of mine. So let's see what we think of these. So let me open this package. And see what these babies look like, and I'll put a few pictures in for you. Okay, now sometimes the new Oreos have designs on the cookie pertaining to what it is. No, I don't see this. There's no blueberries on here. There's nothing other than Oreo in the middle and little designs around there, but they're not blueberries. Actually, they look like 4-leaf clovers to me. And you can see inside is the blueberry cream. So before I do the taste testing, I want to open this and see what it really looks like inside. Oh my goodness, can you see that? This is definitely blue for blueberries. It is, I guess, like a navy blue, like a little tiny bit lighter than a navy blue, but it is definitely blue. And like I say, I think these cookies came out many years ago, so they must have had a lot of requests to bring them back, and maybe because it's summertime, blueberries, I don't know. Let me see what it says. Anything else on here? No, it's just your regular 10.68 ounce bag. See if it says anything on the back. Oh, it tells you dunk, 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 and I'm going to do that today. I always forget my glass of milk because I love to dunk my Oreos. Let's see. And for 2 cookies, it is 150 calories. You can read the packages if you buy them. It's 7 grams of fat. 2.5 grams are saturated fat. There is 20 grams of carbs in here, which is supposed to be 7% of your daily value. And you get about 10 servings per container. So I guess there's about 20 cookies in here. All right, so now I am going to take a bite of this and see if I taste blueberry. Because there is nothing more disappointing when you taste what they're supposed to be and you don't really get that flavor. So let's see if I get it on this one. Now this is funny. The second, and I mean the second, you bite into this, all you taste is blueberry. There is no doubt in my mind, or will there be in anybody else's, that this is not a blueberry pie Oreo. Tastes exactly like blueberries. I'm amazed. I have to say, this is one of the first Oreos I've tasted that I can say tastes exactly like it's supposed to. There's no doubt in your head. You don't have to chew it, wait to swallow it, all of that before you taste the blueberry. The second you bite into it, it's blueberry. Let me smell it. I don't really smell blueberry, but I see blue cream and I taste blueberry. I actually like it, and I'm not a big fan of blueberry. I like the peanut butter and chocolate Oreos. They're good. And I like the regular Oreos. But there was one I did a review on that I know the cookie was shortbread. That was pretty good too. This is just a regular graham flavored cookie. Let me take another bite. Definitely a blueberry pie Oreo. Now I bought these in Aldi's. Don't quote me, but I think they were around $5 a package. Maybe a few cents less or a few cents more, but that's what they were going for. And all I can say is, if you like blueberries, you're gonna like these. Actually, I have to admit, I've never had a blueberry cookie. I've had blueberry pie, I've had blueberries on my pancakes, I've had blueberry muffins. I have not had a blueberry cookie. I think this is my first one. So let me get my glass of milk because I definitely want to see what these taste like when they're dunked. So let me get one out here and dunk it in my milk. I mean, this is nice dunking. And do you like to bite your Oreos like this as a sandwich, or do you like to open them and take the filling out first before you eat the cookie? Look at how blue that is. I hope you can see it. I'll put a picture in for you, but it's blue. So I'm going to dunk this and see what I think. Alrighty, look at that. Oh, here we go. Nice cold milk. I even have a blue straw to match the cookies. Okay, so my honest review on these blueberry pie Oreo cookies is, if you like blueberries, and I know many people do, you will like these cookies. They are definitely a blueberry cookie, and I like them, and I don't even love blueberries, so that should tell you something. So I hope you enjoyed my little review of the cookies. I mean, if you happen to see them in your store, maybe they're starting to hit the shelves now in some of the main grocery stores. Like I say, I don't know why in my area Aldi's got them first. That's where I first saw them. And I looked in like Stop and Shop, By Me, and ShopRite, and they didn't have them. So maybe they have them now, I don't know. But anyway, if you like blueberries, give them a try. And if you want to see more of my videos, and my vacation will probably be coming up next, I'm not sure. Smash the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like the video and you want to see more. I appreciate all of you so much. I am now over 10,000 subscribers. I think when I last looked it was like 10,040, which for me is good. I'm just a small YouTube channel. But it's because of all of you. So thank you so much. And I will see you all very soon. Don't forget to come on back. Toodles. Now I'm finishing my cookie. 2 thumbs up for the blueberry pie Oreos. Yay!